Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa obambile uthi ziyakhathaza izigameko zokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho kuleli. Uthi umphakathi wona ukhahlamezeka kakhulu ngalokho. uKhachalia uthi ukumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho kumele kuhlonzwe njengobugebengu.
There is a need to amend the legislation to designate illegal mining as a criminal offence. So your question is an important one, and it's clear that that particular lacuna in the law needs attention.
Kusukela ngesonto ledlule kujutshwe amaphoyisa kule ndawo ehamba phambili ngokumbiwa kwegolide ngokungemthetho ukuqapha isimo. Lokho kuza emva kwesigameko lapho abamba amagugu bebeke engcupheni impilo yezakhamuzi zaseBapong ngemigodi abayimbayo. Namhlanje amaphoyisa emuke nemishini okukhona kuyo nogandaganda laba abamba amagugu ambiwayo ngokungemthetho.
There are people that are mining illegally, so there is people that we have identified. It's not one, it's a lot of people that are involved in this, from outside, local, foreigners, and but we are working on that. It's quite a large number of people.
Bangamashumi amabili nomuvo ozamazama asebeboshiwe kusukela ngesonto ledlule.